Robots are no longer a thing of the future. They are here, and they are changing how we work. In factories and warehouses, robots are doing jobs that humans used to do. Think about car factories. Robots are now assembling cars on production lines. They are welding, painting, and even inspecting the finished product. This is just one example of how robots are changing the game. But it's not just manufacturing. Robots are also being used in healthcare, transportation, and even customer service. As robots become more advanced, they can do even more jobs. So, which jobs are most at risk? Jobs that are repetitive and predictable are the most vulnerable. This includes jobs like truck driving, factory work, and data entry. These jobs often involve following the same steps repeatedly. Robots are very good at this kind of work. They don't get tired and they don't make mistakes. But it's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk. Some white-collar jobs are also vulnerable to automation. For example, robots are already being used to analyze legal documents and provide financial advice. As robots become more sophisticated, they will be able to do even more complex jobs. This means that everyone, from factory workers to lawyers, needs to be prepared for the future of work. It's not all doom and gloom, though. While robots are taking some jobs, they are also creating new ones. These new jobs are often in fields like software development, robotics engineering, and data analysis. These jobs require creativity, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work with technology. For example, someone needs to design, build, and maintain all those robots. Someone also needs to analyze the data that robots collect. These new jobs are not just about working with robots directly. They're also about using technology to solve problems and create new products and services. This means that there will be many opportunities for people who are adaptable and willing to learn new skills. So, how can you prepare for the future of work? The key is to be adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. This means being willing to learn new skills and adapt to new situations. Focus on developing skills that robots are not good at, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These skills will be in high demand in the future job market. It's also important to stay informed about the latest technological advancements. The more you know about the future of work, the better prepared you will be. Remember, the future of work is not about robots versus humans. It's about humans and robots working together to create a better future for everyone. If you want to learn robotics, check out Zerobotics.